Hello dear children, welcome back to the class. In the previous class, we have finished the reading of the poem number 5, The Earth is Round. Even though we have finished the underlined the difficult words also. So today in this class, I am going to explain the poem. Okay, let's start. So the title of the poem is The Earth is Round. The earth is round. So earth means where we are living. What we call for that? Earth. And the round means, the shape of the round. Like a ball. Okay? Yes. A frog is sitting on a log. So a frog is sitting on a log. Can you see the frog here? Yes. Where it is sitting? On a log. So what is the meaning of log? Yes, the word has come in the previous poem also. So, a part of the trunk or a large branch of a tree that has fallen or been cut off. What we call for this? Log. So, the frog is sitting on this log and standing near is a shaggy dog. Standing near is a shaggy dog. So, near this, what is standing, children? A dog. What type of dog it is? It is a shaggy dog. Shaggy means a thick or a long hair like this. Okay. So what we call for this? Shaggy. So near this, a shaggy dog is standing. So bow wow, says dog. Bow wow to you. So the dog started to say bow wow. Isn't it? What sound the dog makes? Bow wow. Yes. And the frog says, how do you do? See, the animals started to speak themselves. Okay. They have started to speak. And the dog says, bow wow. By that time, the frog asked to dog, that is, how do you do? How are you? Like that, frog asked to the dog. If you like, says dog, come with me. So, what the dog is saying to frog? If you like, you can come with me. Okay? For what? Have a ride on my back for free. See, the dog is saying to the frog that if you want or if you wish to come. You can sit on my back for a ride. Ride means just going, isn't it? Yes. So the dog is saying to the frog that if you want to come, you can come and you can sit on my back for free. That is also no cost for that. So you can come and you can sit on my back. So we will go a ride. We will walk and talk and travel far. So travel means going from one place to another place. So the dog is saying to the frog that, so if you want or if you wish, so you can come and you can sit on my back. I will take you and we will walk and we will talk. So while walking we can talk and we can have fun and we can travel far. Means we can go very far. No need for plane, train, boat or car. Usually what we do, children, if we want to travel, so we will select the vehicles, isn't it? Like a plane or train or boat or car or bus, like that. The dog is saying to the frog that we don't want any vehicles. We can go like a walk only. We can go. That is also we can have fun and we can talk and we can go. The next one. How nice, says frog, for I have heard. By that time, frog felt very happy. And frog is saying to the dog that how nice you are. But I heard that from a dear friend of mine, that is a bird. So frog's dear friend, which is the dear friend of the frog? Bird is the friend of the frog. A bird is the friend of the frog. And the frog is saying to the dog that I heard that the earth is not flat but round. Flat means there is no shape, means like a square, like that. the earth is not flat but it is round, isn't it? Where we are living, that is called the earth, and it is not a flat, it is a round, like a ball shape. And the sky never meets the ground. Where is the sky? Very far from us, isn't it? Yes, the sky never meets the ground. Ground in the sense the earth. So the earth and sky never meets. So because it is very far from us. So the frog is saying to the dog that a bird is the friend of frog, and the bird said to the frog, it seems that the earth is not flat but it is round, and even though sky is very far from us and sky never meets the ground, means sky never touch the ground, that is earth. So off they go for a whole day. So off they go. They mean in the sense a bird. If the bird started to fly, means it won't come in the same place, isn't it? It will go so far, it will fly. So it goes a whole day, it will go. The ride's fun. I'm happy to say. So the ride's fun. What they are riding here, they are going, it is so funny. So I'm happy to say. The frog is saying that I'm very happy. And they find that the earth is round. So the earth is round. The sky never touches the ground. So it is a fact that the earth is round. So what we are living, that is earth. That is round shape. And the sky never touches. Isn't it? The sky will never touch the ground. So here you can observe that the dog is very kind to the frog. Isn't it? So the dog wanted to help, or the dog wanted to make the frog happy, that the dog said to the frog that we will go a ride and we will have a walk, like a talk and we can walk. So you can observe the dog kindness. So dear children, we too follow this thing. Okay, we should be kind to others. We should help to others in any way. Okay, let's go for the dictation words. The first one is shaggy. SHAGGY, shaggy. Next, bow wow. BOWWOW, bow wow. The next, frog. FROG, frog. Next, ride. RIDE, ride. The next one, travel. TRAVEL, travel. Next, plane. PLANE, plane. The next is train. TRAIN, train. Next, boat. BOAT, boat. Next, herd. HEARD, herd. Next, friend. FRIEND, friend. Next one, earth. EARTH, earth. The next is round. ROUND, round. ROUND, round. The next one, flat. FLAT, flat. Next, meets. MEETS, meets. GROUND, ground. GROUND, ground. The next, whole day. WHOLE, whole. DAY, day, whole day. The next one is sky. SKY, sky. The next, never. NEVER, never. Next, TOUCHES, touches. The last one is HAPPY, happy. So dear children, Here we have completed all the dictation words. You need to write this all 5 times. That is your homework. Okay children, see you in the next class. Take care and bye bye.